Alright YouTube, right now I'm at NOLAN, an authorized Can-Am dealership. So I wanted to get a feel about sitting on different Can-Am Spyder, F3, See the Sky. Since being on the Ryker for so long, so much, I wanted to get a feel of how it is to be on something a little bigger. So what I'm gonna do is go in the dealership, speak to my boy, maybe do a walk around, sit on some different Can-Ams and then compare it to you. I know it's a little noisy out here, bear with me, but yeah, let's go inside and do this. Let's do something different. Alright YouTube, so this is not one of my normal videos. Obviously I'm not sitting on the Shadow Black Ryker. Actually, I'm sitting on one of the new Can-Am F3s. I'm over here at NOLAN because I came in to check out the 2021 models. But to my surprise, when I got here, the last one was sold and out the door. So, you guys pretty much know what the Can-Ams are all about. So, you always watch my channel, I'm always talking about the Ryker. But not to exclude everything, I'm going to throw in some stuff and some footage about the Can-Am Spyder lineup. So follow me, and it's going to be a little different from my usual YouTube videos, but enjoy it with you. Alright, so right now, this is the See the Sky edition. So I'm going to sit on it and give you a comparison on the size compared to sitting on a Ryker. So this is the See the Sky edition. This is what someone my size would look like sitting on it. So I'm 5'11", 180 pounds. So if you're talking about comparison to the Ryker and comfort, way different. Size, shape, maneuverability, all the bells and whistles, comfort, but you're comparing apples and oranges because the Ryker is just the sportier look that you want. So let's go over to sit on the Spyder F3 edition and get a comparison about the look and the feel between now the Spyder and the F3 edition. Right now, I'm sitting on the Spyder F3. The difference, I'll tell you right now, even though the See the Sky is very comforting, I do have to say that the F3 seats are very, very comfortable. As for the sporty look, I could see how this could be a smaller version. I could see how this could be a very larger upgrade to your Ryker. It almost has the same feel, more of a sporty feel than the luxury look of the Spyder. So if I had to do an upgrade, it would probably have to be an F3. I mean, just the look, the sleekness of it, it reminds me more of the Ryker setup, just in a very, very big, beefed up version. All right, what's up, everybody? So I'm here with my friend Kenny from NOLAN Motos. I just want to thank him for letting me go through his dealership, try out the different Can-Am models, just to get a feel for something different since I'm already a Ryker rider. Kenny, thank you.
No problem. Thank you for coming down. I appreciate it. We're an authorized Can-Am dealer. We sell Ryker, Spyder. We do all servicing. We carry all the accessories. So anything you need, please stop by. Check our website, miniolamoto.com, our Instagram, and anything you need, please reach out.
All right, yo, you heard it straight from the guy, man. My man Kenny hooked me. I'm your Can-Am Ryker ambassador. So I'm here to just bring out things for you so y'all can get a feel of all the Can-Am accessories and parts. This is actually where I bought my Can-Am, out here in New York, Long Island. So listen, come out. They selling like hotcakes. Unfortunately, there was not even any left for me to sit on and try. These guys moving Can-Ams. They're fun to ride. Come and get them. See you on the next video.